From Salesforce, you can generate documents with OpenText Exstream PowerDocs Word. Let's take a look how this is done using a contract as an example. Click Extreme Word. PowerDocs opens. Select a template and click Create. In interview mode, you have to supply context-relevant answers. You also see metadata from Salesforce, which can be changed and then saved in Salesforce. Now, click Create. PowerDocs Word is started and the document is generated. All objects that are part of the template are added, also the Salesforce metadata. With the PowerDocs ribbon, you can perform different post-processing actions like DocuSign. To save this document as a PDF in your Salesforce Workspace, click Save in Workspace. Microsoft Word closes and you are returned to your browser window. Here, click back to return to Salesforce. In Salesforce, open the Workspace tab. Open Correspondence. Here you see the generated PDF. Workspace is the interface to OpenText Extended ECM. You have generated a document. Thank you for watching.